Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to wind a bobbin using a sewing machine. The things you're going to need are the colored thread you like to use, a cap to hold your thread in place, a bobbin, scissors, and of course your sewing machine. Before we get started, I want to let you know that when I first got my Singer sewing machine, which is a 74-36 stitch, I started using Singer thread and my machine kept on getting jammed up. So I ended up calling the Singer company and they let me know that I should either stick with Coats & Clark or Gutterman thread. These are silkier and they slide through my machine better, and ever since then I haven't had any problems. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the colored thread that I would like to use and I'm going to slide it onto here. And so my thread spool doesn't slide back and forth, I'm going to take a cap and cap it off. Now make sure you use a correct size cap. Now I'm going to take my thread and I'm going to pull it. Your sewing machine should have arrows directing you on where to go, so I'm just going to follow them. I'm going to take the thread and slide it through here, make sure it gets hooked in. Now I'm going to loop it once around here. Now I'm going to take my bobbin. Your bobbin should have 2 open holes and 2 closed holes. Just take your thread and stick it through one of the open holes. And you're just going to pull it through. Just pull some extra thread because we're going to go over here. You're going to take your bobbin, snap it down, and then snap it over to the right. Now you can turn on your sewing machine. And we're going to take our foot and push down on our foot control, but you want to make sure you're holding on to the thread because you don't want it to slide off of your bobbin. So I'm just going to get started. Now once it gets hooked on, you can just cut the extra thread and keep winding up your bobbin until it hits this white tip, or depending on how much thread you want put onto your bobbin. When you're done, you can just turn off your sewing machine, take your bobbin and snap it back to the left and bring it up and out. Then you can take your scissors and cut your thread, and that's it. You have your thread loaded onto your bobbin, just like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned next time for more How To in Style.